Hi viewers, today we are telling you about car insurance in Australia. Do you insure the car or driver in Australia? Most car insurance policies in Australia are associated with car, not a driver. Even if you have insured your own car, this policy usually would not apply if you are driving another vehicle, such as friend's car or a rental. It is important to check what covered before you get behind the wheel. Just in a case, does your insurance cover other cars you drive? Rates city. Do you insure the car driver in Australia? Do you pay car insurance in Australia? In Australia, all registered cars must have compulsory third-party CTP insured. How does car insurance claim work in Australia? After you have made your claim, the insurance must contact with 10 business days. They may accept or reject your claim or ask for more information. If you reject your claim, they must do this in written. Your insurance may contact any other drivers, their insurance, and any witness who saw accident. How often do you pay car insurance Australia? There are gently two ways you can choose to pay for your car insurance policy in Australia, either annually or monthly. Can you drive Australia without car insurance? It is a very important question for you and listeners. It is illegal to drive without compulsory third party CTP insurance in Australia. CTP insurance provides compensations for bodily harm caused by a vehicle in an accident is mandatory is and states terrorist. It must be taken out at the time and vehicle is registered. Can you drive anyone's car in Australia? No, it is not eligible to drive someone else's car, but you are legally liable for the vehicle that you are driving, regardless of whether you would not or not. Next question is that how many types of car insurance are in Australia? Four types. Simply, while most people are careful behind the wheel, some accidents are difficult to avoid, which is why it is important that every driver take our car insurance. There are four types of car insurance: comprehensive third party fire and theft, third party property damage, and compulsory third party insurance CTP. How much does the average Australian spend on car insurance per year? Australian drivers spend about $1,302 every year on car insurance. Young drivers under 20 pay the most for car insurance, $2,365 on average. Electric vehicles are still one of the most expensive cars to insure in 2022. Next question is, do you need an Australian license to buy a car? You absolutely do not need a driver license to buy a car in Australia. Next question is that who can drive taxi in Australia? Anyone wanting to become a taxi or a hire vehicle driver must hold and understand Australian driver license and pass medical and criminal background check. It is the responsibility of driver to communicate any changes to their license, health, or criminal history to their services provider. What is the most basic car insurance? Generally, the six basic car insurance coverage you will need are: number one, bodily injury liability coverage; number two, property damage liability coverage; number three, medical payment or personal injury protections PIP coverage; number four, comprehensive coverage; number five, collision coverage; number six, uninsured motorist coverage. Next question is, how much does it cost to run a car in Australia? The average Australian now expect that annual cost of running a vehicle, including registration, insurance, fuel, and maintenance, is $15,754. Can foreigner driver ever in Australia? It is requirement that driver partner using the Uber Driver app in Australia have a citizenship, residency, or a visa state that allows them to work. I think you have know about much more and about insurance companies and how can you insure in Australia. Next time we will tell you about other countries and insurance companies. Thanks for watching.